Hi, I'm Adam Stringer and I head up Operational Resilience, Cyber and Privacy for our financial services clients here at PA. We've just hosted some UK finance members, and really the question that everyone was asking is, what are the regulators looking for with regards to operational resilience? And really what they're looking for is for you to answer the question, what will it take to break you? And so that means understanding the important business services that you offer to your customers and how those business services are broken down into IT, process and third-party services. And then really that you're governing those services, you're understanding the resilience of each of the component parts, and you're allowing senior people in your organisation to take decisions based on accurate management information. And really I'd stress that taking decisions point, because it's only when you decide to do something differently, say patch a system or solve an attrition problem in a team or ask a third party to meet the requirements that you've set out, that's when you really reduce operational risk for your organisation.